subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new affordable Narzo series phone in India called Realme Narzo N55 with mini capsule feature that works like Apple's dynamic island-like feature. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N55 features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo N55 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses one 64MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture along with a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with Realme UI 4.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 75.9 by 7.89mm, and it weighs around 189.5 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Narzo N55 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,919 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 18 in Prime Black and Prime Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo N55 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.